Hey guys, it's Ella from the Little Munchkins, and we are here at the Disneyland Hotel in the 2-bedroom suite. So let's check it out. Right here we have a little kind of kitchen-y sink and a mini fridge. And then over here we have the living space.
Which that is a pull-out, I think, queen. It looks like beautiful.
Yeah. And then we have an amazing view, and you can see Star Wars Land. And then, if you follow me,
so in the living room area, you have a bathroom also here, like a powder bath, closet, and here is another room with 2 queens.
so nice.
It is so nice. I love that headboard. Very cute. Good view, desk, TV,
All that good stuff.
all that good stuff. All right, what's over here?
And another bathroom.
Is it a tub and a shower? Yeah, a shower and a tub. Couple, what are these, queen beds?
Yeah, we turned out the
Oh, wow, Olivia.
Like that.
It does like that.
Let's go over here. Let me show you.
What's over here?
Tinkerbell Light.
What? Oh my goodness. And coffee maker. And what does this one got? Does this one have a tub and a shower? So cool. Is it cute? What's in there? You think it's a little bathtub? Who's excited to go check out Star Wars Galaxy Edge? All right, guys. Well, that is the 2-bedroom suite here at Disneyland Hotel and